He already posted the tutorial. Okay, here next one we today going to share with you how to use the memory wire bangle and the spring coin to making the jewelry. Okay, so first we are going to cut the wire here. It's going to make a faster bangle here by the spring. So here the first way that we use the memory wire bangle to cut it. Then let's see how we can use this one to make the bangle. Okay. Here. We are used the spring yesterday. We should, and let's see how we can make it. And the spring today, I am going to show you how to make the spring by ourselves. We will be use this one, the spring coin. Yeah, the spring coin here, this, and we will use the drill machine. We use this drill machine here. This one. 之前付了50，他之前有下过单吗？就付了50。Dear new. Okay. So here now we're going to show you how to make the spring coin. We will use the silver color to ask for 3 real wrapper yesterday. Yes, I packed for you already. I packed for you already, elegant. Okay, so here we use the wire size 0.4. And this is a hard steel wire here. Hard steel wire. Kate F. New Life, she paid $50 the deposit already. Yeah. Here. This one. And then here we use this middle hard wire. Then we wrap the copper wire here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Here, this one. This, yes, here like this. Those stone in New Life basket is the stone is used to make the charms. Is cabo cabo, how to spell? Yeah. It's like this. Okay. Yes, that's the stone, and it can be used to make the charms. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's here. Then you tight it. You will find that half outside, half inside, half outside, half inside. We wrap here. Then how to make the spring by yourself? Let's see here. 没电了 Power off. Power off. Okay, so you understand that we use the drill and okay, no power. I forgot to 那个忘记充电了。Okay, Stella 帮我拿去充一下电吧。Yes, we need the power. This one. 头有一个圆圆的那个东西的，黑的。你那个里面找找看吧，找不到就先放那吧。圆圆的东西，一个黑色的头是圆的那个是哪一个充电头？Okay, so anyway, it's this way. it is this way that's to make the spring. But here the power off, we use the gel machine to make it so that it can be make it long and faster. Okay, so now power off. I was tested before I use. I think it was okay, but finally it's power off. Okay. They charge me shipping. Don't worry. We will be refund you the shipping cost. Stella will refund you the shipping cost. New Life will refund the shipping cost. 他付了，然后你把运费给他退一下。Don't worry. You are the order is more than $50 free shipping. Okay, so here, then let's go. Here we are going to use this one, make the Bangle directory. So let's see how to do. You just need to cut the spring here. This here is the way. Let me show you how we can make. We can make this one in a different design, several way. The gel machine, I didn't sell it, dear. This one for spring, the machine, I didn't sell it. Yesterday, I used the gel machine to gel the freshwater pour. That's gel machine. I have it sell in my shop. Yeah. So it's here. This way. Okay, so here let's go to make the design. We will use the big beads, small beads mixed together. Let's go into make a pearl design. Okay. First, the beginning of the memory wire bangle, let's use the glue. Yes, it's a normal 12V gel here. This way. Put a little bit of glue here. Then I'm use a glass pearl here. So just put the glue here. Then let's string the beads. We are string the spring. This spring you can use it as a tube spacer. It's like a tube spacer. Hi, happy to see you. Nice to meet you. Here, UM here. So it's a piece of the design we made by the pearl. Here. It's a bangle. Here. Very simple way making the design. Even you are a new starter, you can make this one by yourself easily. Okay. Thank you, my friends. This is a channel that shows you how to making the jewelry by yourself. We are not sell the ready-made. We sell all the supplies for jewelry making. Okay, here. And again, one spring. Then let's see. I plan to go into make put a big pearl here. Then I will going to show you how to make the eye again. Yeah, thank you. So how to make this part with an eye? So we use the wire 0.4, but here I'm not use only one piece 0.4. We can use two piece 0.4 to make here. Okay, I'm sorry I doesn't off was the spring you just made. The spring is made it already. We sell the spring here. If some friends you want to get the spring, I show you we have it for sale because my drill machine power off. But we have the spring that we made it before. If you like, yeah. Like that you are using different color wire. Here we will just use gold, but of course we can use all the 5 colors. That's no problem. It's like here, this one, here, 5 colors of the wire, and the price of the spring is 2.45. 2.45 one string 20 inches. The length one string 20 inches. Okay, here. Then let's go. Oh, love the different spring colors. Yes, you can order if you want it. If you need it, just type 2.45 with one string, one piece price. Okay. Then let's go here. This one. Here we go to wrapper. This tight. Here. This way. Wrapper. Here I make a silver eye here. Yeah, I make a silver eye for the eye. Silver eye on this gold bangle. Yeah. Okay. You can try it. Yeah. You can start your small business if you want. Here, this, then here, wrapper. Here, wrapper. Here, wrapper. This way, and the wrapper. Wrapper. Here, wrapper. So it's used 2 wire to wrap these beads. Make it like a eye design. Silver eye made here. This way, wrapper. And here we wrapper. This one. And we wrapper. I'm not crazy. Wrapper. Hello, Moon Rose. Happy to see you. We'll make a bangle. Here. Use the memory wire bangle we showed yesterday. Here. This one. Here. Wrapper. Okay. Then we cut the wire extra. Then we can move it. So here, silver eye is here. Silver eye here. Then continue. We're going to cut. You can cut the wire spring, any length you want. We'll make a simple bangle. Okay, we are just going to cut it. Okay, here. Go through. Here. And here again. And we can put the different sides of the beads. Yeah, you will find that it's easy to making a bangle, right? Not so much hard. It's not so much hard making. The end we just need to use the super glue to close it. Okay. Here, we're done. My pink package just arrived. Happy. Okay, here. It's here. So it's here. Is we just waiting for this beads dry. So it's a bangle. We're done. Very easy making. This is the spring coin that's used to protect her. Okay, and the other size is the size ML. Yeah, if your size is not very small, you just take the M. On my hand is size ML memory wire here. This. And we have gold and silver. You can tell me what's the color you take. Yeah, we have in gold and in silver, and in size S and ML. In my hand is ML size. Okay, ML. Which color? Price is 4. Price is